friends, welcome back to Vedita Education, and in this video we'll see about mathematics grade 6 algebra. So in last video we have seen about something. Guess what we have seen last video? Yes, variables, constants and expressions with variables. But in this video we'll see the main part of the algebra is equation. First of all, what is equation? We have learned about expression. What is equation? So, what is equation? We have learned about expression, right? So let's see. An equation is a statement that two mathematical expressions are equivalent or equal. Example, this. I've told you that day, right? Not that day. On last video only I've told you about this equal to symbol. Just remember that means that was an equation. See, equation easiest statement when two mathematical expression we know like this, like x plus 7 is x plus 5 is an expression and 7 is also an expression. So if a mathematic means equal to come in middle of two expressions, that this whole forms an equation. This whole forms an equation. Okay. Now what if there is only something like this? Is this an equation? No, that's an expression. That is half of an equation. Okay. Now another statement for equation when there is equal to symbol between our expression, that means that is an equation completed. The statement is completed. See, we have three statements, which is one is comparing means one is if there are two mathematical expressions, those are known as equation. And if in a expression, if there is one is two sign, that is an equation. See, we have completed the equation definition also just in 3 minutes. So we'll see of expression, no, not expression, we'll see of example. X plus 7, which is 11, that is also a equation. We can also solve this. If there is equal to sign, we can also solve that. Now 7 minus 3x is equal to 2 minus 3x. This is also solvable. X2 is equal to 9. That is also solvable. 4x plus 7 is equal to x plus 2 plus 3x plus 5. Oh, that is very easy solvable. That is, now x plus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to x minus x by 2. X by x plus 2 is plus 1. See, this is division. We won't learn like this type of problem now. You will learn something on 7th or 8th. Correctly, I don't know. We may be learning at 7th or 8th. Now, see this another definition. The values of an unknown that makes the equation true are called solutions or roots of the equation. And this process of finding the solution is called solving the equation. Okay. We can also solve this. I'll show you how. Now, solution for an equation. We say in the earlier section that the equation 2n is equal to 10. We satisfy by n. Okay. Now this, I'll show you. In this solution for an equation, if there is an equation like 2n is equal to 10. So what would this n be? finding the variable. What is the value of an variable? Finding the value of an variable is called solution for an equation. So think that this is an first example. I'll show you how to do. First, what you will do is when if the think that this is an equation, right? Write in another line n sorry, how many times does the 2 go, sorry, in 10 go in 2? 5 times. So if we can write like this, can't we write like this? No, we can't. Because there is an, which symbol is here? In middle of n and 2? Yes, into. So what we keep here also? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So what would be n be now? Yes, 5. N is 5. Are you satisfied with this? Is this the correct answer I'm saying? Yes, this is of course the correct answer. This is one of the methods solving it. This is the method called trial and error method. Trial and error method. This is one of the method. In 3, we have known the 1. And one more way to do this method is just make a column, box. Okay, here make something like this many columns. So here you write the equation, here a variable, and here answer. Okay, like this we form. So equation is 2n is equal to 10. So how to form it? Just go, variable is n is 1, that means 2 into 1, which gives to 10, not gives 10. Now here 2n is equal to 10. Now n is 2, 2 into 2, which not gives 10, which is 4. In bracket you write the answer also. 2n is equal to 10, 2n is equal to 10, 2n is equal to 10. So n is equal to, n is equal to, n is equal to 3, 4, 5. Now 3, 2 into 3, which is not equal to 10, which gives 6. And here 2 into 4, which is not equal to 10, which gives 8. And here 2 into 5, which gives 10, which is 10 only. So this is the method we do for this trial and error method. We do in columns actually. We do in columns. We have to try each and every method. If n is 18 and here 10 is, in place of 10 there is 36. So 8 twos, 18 twos are 36. See, like that we do. That is easy. This method we use for trial and error method, not for everything. Wait. Mm, and also we learn from here. I'll show you. Also, n is equal to 4 is not a solution. Tell why not. Let us take the equation x minus 3 is equal to 11. Okay, this equation is satisfied by x is equal to 14. Because for x is equal to 14, LHS of the equation is equal to 14 minus 3, that gives 11, that is RHS. Here we got new words LHS and RHS. In this LHS and RHS, I'll show you the full form. Please, can you can also note it down. For LHS means left hand side, and here for this right hand side. Okay, left hand side means which is left to, which is this side to the equal to, right hand side means which is right side of the equal to, which is our right hand. Our right hand is the right side and our left hand side is equal to left hand side. Okay, now it is not satisfied by x is equal to 16, because x is equal to 16. LHS of the equation is equal to 16 minus 3, that is 13, which is not equal to RHS, right? Thus x is equal to 14 is a solution to the equation x minus 3 is equal to 11, and x is equal to 16 is not a solution of to the equation. Also, x minus x is equal to 12 is not the solution to the equation. Explain why not. Now, complete the entire entries. So, now why you know that right side means the right hand side, left side means our left hand side. So, now complete the entries of the following table and explain why your answer is yes or no. In the finding the solution of equation 2n is equal to 10, we prepared a table for various values of n from the table. We picked up the value of n which was the solution to the equation, which satisfies the equation. What we used is a trial and error method. I told you trial and error method, that method. It is not a direct and practical way of finding a solution. We need a direct way of solving an equation, right? Finding the solution of an equation, we shall learn more systematic method of solving equations only next year. The systematic method we will learn for 7th. Now we'll see how did the algebra start. This is the history of algebra. Okay, it is said that algebra has a branch of mathematics began about 1000 1550 BC, i.e., more than 3500 years ago, when people in Egypt started using symbols to denote unknown numbers. Around 300 BC, use of letters to denote unknowns and forming expressions from them was quite common in India. Okay, mostly in India. Many great Indian mathematicians, Aryabhat, who was born 4476 AD, Brahmagupta, born 5598 AD, Mahavira, who lived around 850 AD, and Bhaskara too, born 1114 AD, and others contributed a lot of study in algebra. They gave names such as Bija, Varna, etc. to announce and used first letter of the color names Ka from Kala black, Ni from Neela blue to denote them. The Indian name for algebra, Bija Ganit, dates back to these ancient Indian mathematicians. The word algebra is derived from the title of the book Algebral Almugbal, Almugabalha, written about 825 AD by an Arab mathematician, Muhammad ibn al-Khwarizmi of Baghdad. So that was the history of beginning of algebra. So we'll see this table. X plus 10 is equal to 30, which is x is equal to 10. No, it's not. X plus 10 is equal to 30, x is equal to 30. No. X plus 10 is equal to 30, x is equal to 20. Yes. P minus 3 is equal to 7, p is equal to 5. No. P minus 7 is equal to 7, p minus 3 is equal to 7, which is p is equal to 15. 15 minus 3, how much? 12. Did we get the same answer? No. P minus 3 is equal to 7, p is equal to 10. In place of t, what will come? 10 minus 3 is 7. So that came. Yes. Now, 3n is equal to 21, n is equal to 9. 9 threes are how much? 27. No. So 3 n is equal to 21, n is equal to 7. 7 threes are 21. Yes, that came. Now, t by 5 is equal to 4. T is equal to 25. 25 by 5 is equal to 4? No, that is 5. T by 5 is equal to 4. T is equal to 20. 20 minus 5. 20 by 5 is 4. Yes. Now, 22L plus 3 is equal to 3. 7. So, L is equal to 5. 5 plus 2? 2L. Means 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So that won't come. No. Here, two ones, L is equal to 1. Two ones are 1. Sorry, two ones are 2. Plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5. That comes no. And we'll see the last one. L is equal to 2. So 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. That comes. That's how we do trial and error method. Now, complete the entries in the third column of the table. Now, this will do. Wait, let me put it a little bit bigger. Ready? Now, complete the entries in third column of the table. Okay. Equation is 10y is equal to 80 and y is equal to 9. No. 10y is equal to 80 and y is equal to 80. Yes. Now 10y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 5. 5. No. Okay, wait a second. This will be no. And second is yes, right? Third is no. Now what about fourth? 4L is equal to 20. L is equal to 20. 24s are 80. So that won't come. No. Now here 4L is equal to 20 and 80 into 4, that is 84s are 32. 320. So that gives no. Okay, now 4L is equal to 20 and L is equal to 5. 5 4s are 20, so that comes yes. Now B plus 5 is equal to 9 and B is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 10, that comes no. B plus 5 is equal to 9, B is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 14, no. Now B plus 5, okay. Now here B plus 5 is equal to 9 and B is equal to 4. That comes yes, right? So I'll start this is yes. We'll do like this tick mark, okay? Now here h minus 8 is equal to 5. H is equal to 13. 13 minus 8. What gives 13 minus 8? Yes, that comes right. It gives 5. Now 8 minus 8 is equal to 5? No. 0 minus 8 is equal to 5? No. P plus 3 is equal to 1. Huh? 3 plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay. So in this 3 plus 3 6, not 1, right? So that won't come. Now 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, not 1, right? So that won't come. 0 plus 3 3, not 1. So that won't come again. Minus 1 plus 3, see, minus 1 plus 3. Which is greater? Plus. So put plus 2. Plus 2. Did we get 1? No. Now the last one but not the least, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. So put plus 3 minus 2, 1. So we came. So that's how we do it. Now pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. 5m is equal to 60. So which gives yes, 12 5s are 60. Now n plus 12 is equal to 28. Yes. Now p minus 5 is equal to 5. Yes, 5 plus 5 minus 5 gives, oh sorry, 0. This 10 plus 10 minus 10 plus 5. Now q minus 2 is equal to 7. Yes, 14 minus divided by 2 is equal to 7. R minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 4. Now x plus 4 is equal to 2. Minus 2, yes. Now here we'll get the questions. Okay. State which of the following are equations with a variable. Give reason. This Okay, now till here this is the question. Now is this a variable? Sorry, is this an equation because variable is there? Yes, that is. Now this? Yes. This? Not at all. This? No. Yes, this is of course because, and also the equations which are variables, we have to find them. Is this a equation? Yes. Is this having a variable? Yes. So that's why it is a equation variable. Now here, yes. Here, yes. And here, no, because it doesn't have any variable. Here it doesn't have. Does it have variable? Yes, it have because p. I'll note the variables. Now this is an equation. Yes, it's all also having variable. Now is this an equation? Yes, it's also having a variable, right? Now this is also an equation and it's also having a variable. See this. Is this an equation? No. Is it the equation? Yes. It is not having variable, but same. Is this an equation? Yes. Does it have variable? Yes. So these are those your equations with a variable. Now we looked at patterns of making quick recap. We looked at patterns of making. Oh shit, this is not. No need of patterns. Patterns we will learn that patterns are not related to sixth standard. Now see, a variable takes on different values. Its value is not fixed. The length of a square can have any value, it is a variable. But the number of angles of a triangle has a fixed value, it is not a variable. We may use any letter M, N, L, M, P, S, P, X, Y, Z, etc. to show a variable. A variable allows us to express relations in any practical situations. Variables are numbers, although their value is not fixed. We can do the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on them, just as the case of fixed numbers. Using different operations, we can form expressions with variables like 6 minus 3, x plus 3, 2.5m, p by 3, 2y plus 3, 3x minus 5, etc. Variables allow us to express many common rules in both geometry and arithmetic in a general way. For example, the rule that the sum of two numbers remain the same if the order in which the numbers are taken is reversed can be expressed as a plus b is equal to b plus a. Here, the variables a and b stand for any number 1, 32, 1000, minus 7, minus 20, etc. An equation is a condition a variable. It is expressed by saying that an expression with a variable is equal to a fixed number. Example, x minus 3 is equal to 10. An equation has two sides, LHS and RHS. Between them is the equal sign. The LHS of an equation is always to its right, RHS only for a definite value of the variable in the equation. We say that this definite value of the variable satisfies the equation. This value itself is called the solution of the equation. For getting the solution of an equation, one method is the trial and error method. In this method, we give some value to the variable and check whether it satisfies the equation. We go on giving this way different values of the variable until we get the fine right solution which satisfies the equation. The end. So friends, So friends, if you have liked my video, please share, subscribe, and also like button. Press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe below in the red box which is down. Thank you.